Morning. Yeah, it's Sunday, about a half hour later than the first video I took. That little snow squall blew through and sun come out for a little bit. So you can see what it looks like. I'm going to swing around here, just give the calves their grain and put hay in there for them. I'll swing to the south here. There's my helper, Miska. Got another snow squall. Looks like it's going to blow to the east of us. Plenty of snow coming down up on Grouse. So, anyway, sun come out for a couple minutes till the next storm comes through. Wind's still blowing. They said gusts up to 40, so that's probably about right. Well, hope you stay at home. Keep the fire stove or the stove going. Keep it warm. So have a good day.